So I got this cool welding mask because at the time my daughter liked the little Spidey and Friends show, but yeah, so it's an auto dimmer, so I can just keep it on, still be able to see, and then start welding and it'll dim. So got my first weld done. I'm gonna go this way so the ground can keep making connections through the welds, and then yeah, so that's what we're doing today. That's today's task. Moving along. I'm not gonna give you close-ups of my welds because I'm awful, but hey, you know, practice makes perfect, right? All right. Just got done welding and cutting and all that good stuff. I got this top rail all going on. We just got two more. Let me flip it around here. So I just got that one and that one. So I'll put an extender up that pipe right there, connect to that. And we did a stair step instead of going just down slant. We're just gonna do a stair step, so very happy with it. My welding skills aren't the best, but they are improving, so yeehaw. Been looking at these girls all day, so that's been pretty nice. And now time to go be with my other girls. All right, we are going to let these two ladies out. Definitely a lot of grunting going on, so hopefully nothing too crazy happens. There we go. Now they're just part of the group. And I don't know which ones they are. No, I'm kidding. Hey, 48. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Your hair's all flat because it's been drizzling and raining all day. And the weeds have gone absolutely nuts. in this area. That's all right. Thankful for the rain, absolutely. Well, I'm gonna sit out here for a bit, make sure everything goes okay, and call it a day. Got the daughters sleeping in the truck, napping. Probably need to go check on them, so. Did you wake up? What you doing, buddy? What you doing, Tex? Yeah, you want to hit me, I know. Little stinker. You old knucklehead. Hey, Cinnamon. Well, I am trying to call the Bison in. Trying to get one separated, and that small bull we got from Topeka, Kansas. So calling them in, and they really don't want to get up. They're having their afternoon nap, but well, actually here we go. Got some topping the little hill, so I guess they're coming. right. We have a successful day. That was awesome. Only took like 20 minutes. But sure enough, most of the herd started leaving the pen, and I had a good stack of, or a good pile of cubes saved up. So I actually threw one at him to get his attention, and he turned right around and started coming right up to me. I was on this side of the panels, obviously, and I led him like a dog all the way down the panels, got him to the opening, and I hopped the panels and just lightly pushed him in there and shut the gate. He's good to go, and he's acting like nothing's wrong. So he's got hay and good clean water. There is some grass to graze in there, so he'll eat all that down, and then he will get fed twice a day with our feed blend, and he'll be good to go when the time comes. So yeah, good successful day. The weeds are out of control. Hey, buddy. I love evenings after a storm. It is nice and cool out here, probably 70 something degrees. Just beautiful. My horse just took off running. There she is. Blondie, hey baby. Hi. What you doing, huh? Hi, sweet girl. Do you like the cooler temperatures as well? Hi. What is that, huh? Those flies are already getting after your sore. Just one day. Oh, man. We just took her fly blanket off, like literally last night. She's been out here one day and they're already after that sore and got it back open. So I'm gonna have to catch her, but get that blanket back on her till them stinking flies stop. Say hello, June. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Can you say it? Say it. Say hello, everybody. Why are you running? Where are you going? wish I would have come out here about 5 minutes earlier. The lighting was a lot better. And the wind was still about 5 minutes ago. I don't know how much rain we got, but it was quite a bit in a short amount of time, so thankful for that. Say, see you later.